Hey guys, this is Steve right here. I'm going to show you how to get started on HomeStyler and how to start your walls, and then other videos so that you don't have to listen to me talk for 8 minutes long here. Other videos will kind of show you how to add different key components to your HomeStyler container home. That way, if you can't figure something out, you can just go to the individual video versus watching a whole 8 minutes of me babbling on and on and on. So, to start, you're going to go to the HomeStyler website. You're going to go to sign in, and you're going to choose Google. Also, at any time when I'm making this video, if you hear me, some little voices in the background, that might be my children, so just ignore them. Alright, so choose Google, choose your school account, and you should be logged in. Hit Start Designing. Okay, and you're going to go to Create New Project. Now this guy is your kind of 3D view part, and you can see on the outside here, he's showing you the different views of the inside. So once you start building your container home, you can move him around to see different parts on the inside, and that kind of helps you see the 3D view on the side here. Now up here, this tool here is going to let you draw your walls. So you can draw your container homes kind of like this as you go, as a bunch of rectangles. Okay, or you can do individual walls. So if I do my container homes like this, and again, please be mindful of the lengths and widths that I gave you for the container homes. I just estimated in this video I'm doing for you quick. If you want to draw just an individual wall, like for example, if this is my bathroom here and I need to draw just a wall, okay, I went to the same tab and I did by edge. Okay. Or if I need to draw a closet in here, I'm just going to draw the closet going across. Okay? So that is how you create your walls and design your space. What's nice with HomeStyler is it has the dimensions in there already for you too. Check out the next videos or just explore on your own. You should be able to figure out some of this stuff on your own. But if not, I'll make some other videos to show you how to add floor, how to add paint on the walls, how to add a bunch of stuff. Okay? All right.